What's going on, everybody? Jeffrey here. Welcome back to the Unchained Network. Man, I know once again I'm a little late, but I mean not this late, not that late this time. We're gonna go ahead and check out Rain. Oh wait a minute, we ain't doing that. Excuse me. But I'm gonna go ahead and train with him for a minute. You know what I mean? Just
practice.
We gotta get the feel for old Reno. You know what I'm saying? Cause unfortunately, we didn't get to play as in 10. Let's just go Melina, just cause, you know what I mean? Nah, I don't want to beat up Melina. Shit. Excuse me. We're gonna beat the hell out of Rambo. Just to look at him. Rambo.
Retro Kid.
At first, I'm just like gonna feel him out, and then just go from there. So let's see here. Let's take a peek. Okay, that's one. Oh, I like that. Oh, okay, that's what it is. Alright, let's the water. Let's get crazy. Square XX. Scandalous. Square X circle. Oh, hell yeah. Man, my man nasty. Oh, my man nasty. Nastiness. Nastiness. Alright. Okay. Soggy bottoms. Okay. Left plus square. And then... Oh, okay. Yeah, we liking that. It's like a teleport kind of thing. Whoa! What the? Did not. Oh, that's a little backwards. Okay. Alright now. Let's see. Inside of prints. Okay. Triangle, circle. Wait, triangle, circle, triangle, square plus X. Okay. Whoops. Oh! Nastiness! Hold on now. Ha ha! Yeah! Oh my lord, man. He is fun. I like that little wave jump, man. That's cool as hell. Alright, let's learn some of the specials. Riptide. Right, left, circle, or square. Nice. What the hell is that supposed to do? I don't get it. What? Okay, I'm confused with that one. Oh, yeah. Oh, I like that. Oh, yeah. Damn! Alright now. Down left. Square. Oh, that thing. Hydroplane. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, hell yes. He is nasty. Okay. Guitar toss. Oh, spinning back fist. Oh yeah. Nastiness, man. Okay. No rain, no gain. Triangle, circle, down, circle. Okay. I like that. Nastiness. Oh, nastiness. This is gonna be a quick one. For this one, y'all, I just wanted to come on here and get the feel for my man Rain. Oh yeah! Boom, baby! Bada gang! But yeah, this is how I do it, man. I'm sure most people do this, but I don't just dive in, you know. I like to dissect the character, really learn him. And try to remember his moves like the back of my hand almost. You can tell Rain's gonna take a minute because some of his is a little different. Let's see. I like that. I like that one a lot. I like that one a whole lot. Boom, baby! What the hell was that? Oh! Do that again, Rain. Do it again. Come on, Rain, do it again. Rain, you ain't doing it, man. Rain, you better do it again. Oh, he got something similar to old Scorpio. Oh, just nastiness. Woo! Boom, baby! Damn! Let's see what this other one is. Beautiful. Okay. Not like that. I don't understand that one still. Boom, baby. Hold on now. Let's see here. Wait, what was that again? Right triangle, square triangle. Boom. Like I said, like man, once you get on the flow with him, man, he's gonna be hard to handle. Let's see if you can apply that John. Wait a minute. There you go. What did he say? Stay down. That timing's kind of strange. You know what I mean? Like. Oh! Okay. Okay, let's use him in a battle real quick.
Conquer. Local.
Raid.
Let's beat the hell out of Shao Kahn. Wait.
Shao Kahn. Soul Changer.
Come on now. Come on with it. I ain't playing with old Connie, boy. I'm telling you.
One. Fight.
Oh, wait a minute. I want to see what they say to each other. Hold on.
If I had been king, Adenia would still be.
I would have crushed you as easily as I did Jared.
Was it not Sindel who plunged the knife?
Round one. Fight.
Oh! Oh, now. God. Oh! Oh! I'm telling you, old Connie boy, you ain't got nothing. Oh, I've been waiting a long time to play with Rain, man. I really hope they do the Smoke and Reptile.
Behold your god.
Yeah, I can't wait to get like
Fight.
real familiar with Rain, you know? Shoot. Man. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's what's this okay. Oh, you can do it anywhere. Wow. Right, left, right, down, triangle. Right, left, right, down, triangle. Right, left, right, down, triangle. Boom! Got a key! Hell yeah! Damn!
Fatality. Rage.
Damn! That was awesome! Oh, I love that. We got to see that again. Oh, yeah.
You could have served me, Rain.
I would much rather steal your empire.
Whoa! You laughing at me? Oh, that's a dumb idea.
Outworld will rule.
You stupid fool.
You suck.
What did you just say? That's it, boy. Oh, come here. Oh, you done screwed up now. That's right. Oh, nasty to city. Come on, Connie boy. That's it, Connie boy. You done.
Round 2. Fight.
Ooh, my goodness. Oh, you are shoot. You better not. Don't touch me, Connie boy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Connie boy, I'm telling you, here it is. Boom, baby. Oh! Damn! That was incredible. Boom, baby. What is it again? Right, left, right, down, triangle. Right, left, right, down, triangle. Was it friendship? That is badass. Badass. Damn. Alright.
Rain. Melina.
Alright, there it is. Yeah. See if they got that friendship. Man, look at that. Damn!
You must miss being Kana.
I enjoyed its glamorous life.
I pity you won't have it again.
Round 1.
Well, damn.
Fight.
I guess we ain't on the same team no more. Damn. There we go. Damn. Holy shit. Damn. My turn. My turn. Damn.
Drowning, are you?
Round 2. Fight.
Okay, here it is. We'll see the friendship if he has one, or I gotta unlock it. Oh, there it is. Sophisticated. Down, left, right, down, triangle. Is it mid, east? I think it is. Okay, mid, and then it's down, left, right, down, triangle. Down, left, right, down, triangle. Wait. Was it triangle? I'm sorry. Square. Square. Wait, down, left, right, down. Down, left. Oh, no. Okay, now I know what it is now. We're gonna do it again, though. Oh, hell yeah, look at that. Okay, now. One more time. Okay, it's the same thing.
Fight.
Boom! First try. Oh! Ooh, got it again. Damn. Oh! Come on, Alina. Uh-oh. Ah, she got me. Excuse me. Damn. My turn. Oh. Never mind. Ah.
May I chew off your ear?
No.
Round
No, Melina. No.
Fight.
Whoa! Don't be licking me now, woman. Don't be doing that. With you and your nasty cotton teeth and all that. I'm just having a terrible round with her. I'm like distracted by what she's doing. Trying to figure her out.
Drowning, are you?
What is he saying? Drowning, Mayu.
Fight.
Okay. Boom, baba. Like that. Stop licking me.
Back off.
Boom. Alright, now we gotta remember what the little thing. Okay, down, left, right, down, square. Down, left, right, down, square. There it is. Boop, bada gee. Hot damn. This is the best friendship yet.
Red wins.
Da-da-da-da-da. Look at that. A little fishy. Hot damn. Alright now, y'all. That's it. I just want to come on and play his rain real quick. I'll catch you on the next one.